Hi guys, I would like to welcome you on behalf of presentationwork.com, and today we are going to talk about 5 PowerPoint tricks you never knew before. And before we get started, I would like to request you to subscribe this channel so that you can get all the latest updates from our channel. So let's get started with the first trick. And the first trick is the laser pointer to use in your PowerPoint slideshow mode. So while you are in slideshow mode, you can actually use a laser pointer by just scrolling down here and then clicking on this option and select the laser pointer from this menu. And once you have done this, you can see that we have a laser pointer in a slideshow mode. And you can simply point your audience to a specific point. And this is it. The second trick is the pen and eraser. So for that one, you again have to navigate to the pen option here and then click on it. And once you click, select the pen option and then simply highlight or encircle the text which you want to point your audience. And if you want to change the color of this pen, you can simply navigate to the pen option here and select the orange or any other option and then draw another circle which you want your audience to point to. And this is it, guys. But the thing right now is the eraser, right? So if you want to erase any of these drawn circles, so you have to select the eraser option. And for that, you again have to go to the pen option here and select the eraser. And once you have done this, you can click once and once again click here, and you'll see that the encircled colored boxes are actually gone. So this is how the pen and eraser option works. So moving on to the next trick, in PowerPoint we have highlighter. So for that, you have to again navigate to this option here and click on it. And once you click, you'll see that we have another option available here, and that is highlighter. So click on highlighter and highlight any text in PowerPoint presentation slideshow mode which you want your audience to point to. And this is it, guys. You have so far learned the 3 tricks in PowerPoint presentation. So moving on to the next one, we have bullet point to smart art conversion. The question arises here, like why you need your simple text bullet points to be converted into smart art graphic. And the answer to this question is like you want your bullet points to look more graphical and more presentable and more beautiful. And this is why you're converting your simple and boring bullet points into smart art graphic. So you can see that this smart art graphic look much better as compared to the bullet points. So if you see its original format, then you can see that these were just simple 4 classical looking bullet points. So how I converted it into smart art graphic, you can see that you have to right click after selecting these 4 bullet points and navigate to convert to smart art option and then select any format which you like. In this case, I'm going to select the basic timeline in PowerPoint, and you can see that it's actually converted into a beautiful looking PowerPoint. You can further change its format into different styles like this. Okay, so the final trick is actually the use of classical table conversion into modern modern table. And how you can do this. You can see right now in front of your screen that we have a very old and classical looking table, and if you want to convert it into something like this, then you have to adopt these few simple and very easy to use steps. So this first step, which is step 1, is to select this table, press Ctrl plus C to copy it, and then you have to press Ctrl Alt and V to paste it in paste spatial mode. So from here you can select the picture enhanced meta file option, click OK, and you'll see that it's pasted. And the next step would be to press Ctrl Shift and G to break down your table into single parts like lines, boxes, and text so that you can move these objects to make something like this, which I have shown you before. So to do that, you have to select your table again, press Ctrl, Shift, and G, and you'll see this Microsoft PowerPoint option that this is an imported picture, not a group. And if you want to convert it into a Microsoft drawing object, then you have to click yes. So we want to convert it. So this is how you can work, and the final step would be to press Ctrl, Shift plus D once again to further break it down. And to do that, you can see it looks like it's actually broken into different further objects. Like you can see, we have these boxes, we have the text separated, and after you can actually manage to assemble it, okay, and then you can simply play around with it, and then you can see that you can make something like this. And this is very easy to use, and I can show you how. I'm gonna ungroup it, and I'm gonna show you that this is very simple text here, okay, and it uses railway font, and its size is 24, and this strip is simply a rectangular type which you can draw from here, okay, these drawing objects, and then join it with another rectangular option, I mean the pattern here, which you can see, and then place this text over it. And how to make this text like this. So this is very simple. To do that, you can simply select your text and right click, and then you have to go to the format text effects, okay, and once you have clicked it, then go here, and then what you have to do is that you can see that the text direction, then it's currently like horizontal. So click on this and from drop down menu, select rotate 90 degrees. You can see that it's actually rotated right now, and if you want in the opposite direction, then rotate it by 270 degrees, and you see it's now rotated, okay, and you can place it wherever you want. So by adjusting this, you can finally get a beautiful table looking like this instead of an odd and more classical looking table. So I hope you guys like this 5 tricks of PowerPoint video, and I'm sure you're gonna like this. And subscribe to my channel so that you can get more and more latest updates in future. So have a good day, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.